Hey there, fellow spreadsheet enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to change cell size in Google Sheets for 2025. Whether you're a student organizing assignments, a professional crunching data, or just someone trying to make their spreadsheet look neat, mastering cell sizes can save you tons of time and frustration. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open up Google Sheets and head to your document. You'll want to select the cells you need to adjust, maybe a whole row, column, or just a specific range. It's as simple as clicking and dragging your mouse. To resize a column, hover your cursor over the line between the column headers until it turns into a double arrow. Click and drag left or right to make it wider or narrower. For rows, do the same thing but with the lines between row numbers, drag up or down to adjust the height. This manual method gives you precise control, perfect for custom layouts. But what if you want Google Sheets to do the work for you? That's where AutoFit comes in. Just double-click on that borderline, and the column or row will automatically adjust to fit the content inside. It's a game changer for long text or varying datasets. Now, a few pro tips to elevate your skills. If you're working with multiple sheets, remember these changes only affect the current sheet. Also, use keyboard shortcuts for speed, hold Alt while dragging for more accuracy, or use the Format menu under View for additional options. And if things get messy, you can always undo with Ctrl+C. One common issue is forgetting to select the right cells, so double-check before resizing. This feature works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile versions of Google Sheets in 2025, making it accessible anywhere. There you have it. Changing cell sizes in Google Sheets is straightforward and powerful. Give it a try on your next project, and if you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.